to create data entry forms in Excel. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Excel. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, add first name, last name, city. This is an example. Simply select all the top names and then go to insert and then click on table. Make sure there's tick mark in my table has header and click on continue. After that, if you click on arrow with each name, you will find all the selected after you add all your information on bottom. And this is how to create data entry form in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.